What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Butters wants to say hello. Hello, Butters.
Can I see your teeth? Whoa, scary. Very scary. Can I, one more? Whoa.
In today's video, it's just gonna be a quick little install on the S2000, but I figured, you know what? It's Friday. I wanted to shoot a vlog for you guys, so here we go. Wow. Rah rah. So you're probably asking yourself, what are we doing today? Well, in today's video, we're gonna be switching out the OEM Honda badges to these red ones that I just picked up. I picked them up from eBay and I figured that, you know what? These might look a little better than the ones that are currently on the car because I do have red interior and I think that silver with that red combo, it's gonna hit nice. Man, how are y'all doing? I've been getting really invested in the whole tattoo thing, so I haven't really been able to vlog as much. I'm basically there at the shop every single day of the week, so the only time that I really get to vlog is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's why I wanted to bring a vlog for you guys today, even though it's nothing too crazy on the S2000. I want to give a big shout out to everybody that showed love on the last video. Now, as of lately, I've been really feeling the NSX. Red with white TE37s on it. I think that might be my next car. The GTR will always be in the queue, but I feel like for the next one, an NSX would be stupid nice. Honestly, a timeless looking car and something that you don't see too often. So I really like the NSX. Comment your dream car or what you're going for in the comment section down below. Right now I'm gonna head over to the homie RG shop. He's gonna help me do the install on this. I know I could probably do this at home, but it's been a long time since I pulled badges off my car. RG wraps a bunch of cars on the daily, so I'm sure he pulls off a bunch of badges, which is why I thought, you know what, I'm gonna hit up RG for this job. Let's go ahead and head over to RG shop and we'll see what's up to him. Not a big fan of this weather. Last week it was nice and sunny, but this week, rain. Crazy. Where is summer at, guys?
This is the master right here. If you guys need a car wrapped, boom, or PPF'd,
you hit up RG. This is the man to go to. When I was looking to get the Tesla wrapped, I was asking around. Everybody was saying, go to RG, go to RG. So went to RG. Amazing quality.
so make sure you guys drop by. Guys, look at this Cybertruck. You said this is full PPF?
Yes, full color PPF.
Color PPF. Damn, this thing looks crazy in black. What do you guys think? Dude, this is like 2 car lengths almost.
Yes.
Got the S2000. Got that Jag right there. Bro.
Scary. And dude, like the hazard. Like imagine someone getting hit and getting hit in this corner. Or for example, look at that fitment on that one over there, right? That's obviously Tesla fault.
Yep.
But imagine getting hit right here. Dinged in the head.
Oh, yeah. Damn, the lighting's hella good in here, dude.
It's like coming out slowly. I'm not trying to.
Take your time, take your time.
So this is, these prongs on this one, they're long boys. There you go. Look.
You see, I probably would have broke that.
Look at this. They have like reverse clips, so it looks like if you look at them in this angle, these are probably down here. But when I started prying them, they started flexing back. But I mean, this thing's not coming off. It's probably better than the Rolls Royce emblem.
Cool, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna turn it into a chain or something.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Okay, now we start pulling. Let's test it. If not, we're gonna get the tape again. I don't know if these things are. Oh no! I thought I broke it, dude. I had a heart attack.
Remember old Honda logos? Yeah, there you go. They have a little.
All right, both of the emblems are popped off. Got that one. And we got this one right here. We don't know if we have to take these out, but if we do, obviously we're gonna do it. But it looks so good already, just mocked up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Easy as that.
Let's go. Easiest 300 of my life.
Beautiful. Look at the lights in there. Comes like this. I think it comes like this.
With the ambient lighting, it's pretty fire.
Oh.
It's so much easier with the prongs, right?
Yep.
You don't have to worry
Die.
about alignment
Like
or anything.
being tilted and stuff like that. Yeah, 100%.
Little details, man.
Yeah, they matter. 100%.
All right, what's the reason for this again?
So we want to make sure the fluid adheres right away. Compared to waiting, since it's raining right now, we want to get it warm. We want to make sure it like melts onto the panel in a way, but not too much to where we're risking burning the paint.
And we never know that. And we never know that. And we never know that. And we never.
All right, and just like that, new emblems are on. I'm super happy with them. I think it pops a lot more and it just complements the red seats a little bit more. Like once you see the red badge, you take a look up and you're like, damn, you got red interior too? So I'm super happy with that. Huge shout out to RG again for blessing me. He didn't even want to charge me and I was like, you know what, bro? Let me at least just buy you lunch or something. You know, I got to give you something for hooking me up. So that's all taken care of. I do have a couple things, again, nothing too crazy, but a couple things that are bothering me on this car that I'm gonna fix later on in the video. They landed at my parents' house, so I gotta go pick them up. But it's a rainy day today, Friday, kind of like chill vibes. I might just go back to the crib and just kind of relax, wind down for a little bit, and then I'll pick up the vlog. But I'll see you guys there. Let me know what you guys think about the red badges down below.
A few moments later.
So I recently picked this up from eBay. I know these are like super simple, but I feel like the way that the knobs look in the car right now, it's not looking good. So I wanted to replace it with brand new knobs right here. So let's go ahead and just pop these babies in. Here are the knobs that I have in the car right now. Over time, you know, stuff's gonna dry out. So they're not looking good. So I have them all to the left right now. So I'm just gonna pop this out here. Let's go ahead and drop this baby in the same way that it was pointing. Huh? Oh my God. Dude, night and day difference. Come on. All right, last one. Let's get it. Oh shit. Ah, dude. Hell yeah. There we go, baby. So much better. All right, guys, I'm back at the apartment now. We have a couple special guests here.
Bam, we got Daniel and we got David.
So,
I don't think you guys have seen Daniel before,
nah,
but
yeah.
you've probably seen his hat. This is the man behind the brand.
We were going through like swatches because me and David are collabing, and I think me and Alex are gonna work on something else as well. But yeah, we've been kind of just working on new projects, even like so I'm working on a YouTube channel now, just to like show all the behind the scenes and what it's like to really go through the design phase. Cause like I think younger folks or people trying to get into a clothing brand or design world, this provides a lot of just background in how to go about it or where to start. Yeah.
A lot of value right there.
Yeah,
so I'll have your channel linked down below.
Thank you.
Make sure you guys subscribe.
Yeah.
And let me show you guys some of the hats that Daniel brought.
Wait, can you have my channel linked? Oh.
Are you gonna upload, David?
I pray to the
All right, you guys, a little Sunday lunch with the parents. We're about to get some sushi right now. Shout out to E for putting us onto this spot. I'm gonna show you guys, maybe take some pictures, I don't know.
late. I pray to the
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today we are with the homies. We're doing a little grocery run right now because there's a little party at Kevin's house. Not gonna lie, been sipping a little bit. But yeah, it's late.
You got your camera?
Yeah, we're vlogging this, dog.
Alex's vlog.
Don't put this on the internet, bro. I don't want my parents to be disappointed in me, bro.
Too late.
Hey, avocados good to go?
Hey, they've been disappointed since he was born, dog. I ain't gonna lie. What did he say? We got David behind the camera. I wanted to record at the house party, but I don't know. I don't really know the other people, so I don't want to like put their stuff out there. We're at Safeway right now. Darth Maul? Darth Maul.
You know what they say when people ask me, David, you're wearing a watch. What time it is? My watch don't got numbers. All it says is grind. Hey, this is what Matt and I be drinking. You know why? Because we don't drink.
Bro, you're such a dad, bro. You're such a dad.
Can you please put your shirt on?
All right, you guys, we're back at the crib. We got David. We got Victor. Victor wanted to challenge me in a push-up contest. What?
I'm not gonna show you the password, but I'm trying to sign into Kevin's Wi-Fi because it's right here. It
It literally says the password.
literally says the password. It's not letting me log in.
Watch out with that beer, bro. Don't spill that shit.
This fool's overstaying his welcome.